Before you join LiveGood, you need to know 3 things that nobody's telling you. I joined 3 months ago, and what I discovered completely changed my expectations. In the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down the real costs, the actual earnings potential, and what happened when I tried to build this business the way they teach you. Stick around, because at minute 3, I'll show you the one mistake that cost me 2 weeks of progress. So, LiveGood is a health and wellness company that sells supplements and products at member prices. The pitch is simple. Get quality products cheaper than retail, and build a business by sharing it with others. Here's the truth about pricing. Membership costs $9.95 per month. Not bad. Products range from $15 to $40 depending on what you buy. A month's supply of their multivitamin is around $20, compared to $50 or $60 at a retail store. The business side uses a binary compensation plan. You build 2 teams left and right and earn commissions when both sides produce volume. Sounds simple, right? Here's what they don't emphasize. This isn't passive. You're not just signing up and watching money roll in. Let me show you what actually happens. Month 1. I signed up excited. I bought the starter products, posted on social media, messaged friends and family. Result? Crickets. 2 people asked questions, 0 signups. Month 2. I doubled down. Watched all the training, joined team calls, learned the compensation plan inside and out. I got more strategic with who I approached. Result? My first sign up. 1 person. Then another week later. Progress, but slow. Month 3. This is where things clicked. I stopped cold messaging random people and started creating content about the products I actually use. I focused on the health benefits, not the business opportunity. Result? 5 signups this month. Not life-changing money yet, but momentum building. I'm at bronze rank, earning around $60 to $80 monthly. Not the thousands they show at the top, but real progress I can build on. Remember I said I'd tell you the mistake that cost me 2 weeks? Here it is. I led with the business opportunity instead of the product value. Wrong approach. Hey, want to make money with LiveGood? Instant rejection. Right approach. I've been using these supplements and my energy's better. Want to try them at member pricing? Once people experienced the products, some asked about the business. That's when you share the opportunity. Product first, business second. That simple shift changed everything. Let's be real about pros and cons. Low monthly cost. Quality products at good prices. Simple compensation plan once you understand it. Global opportunity if you want to go international. It requires consistent effort. You're building relationships, not collecting checks. Takes time to see significant income. Like any business, some people quit early. Is it worth it? Depends on your expectations. If you want fast money, this isn't it. If you want to build something over 6 to 12 months, it's legitimate. After 3 months, I'm continuing. The products work for me, the business model makes sense, and I'm seeing progress. If you're considering LiveGood, don't expect overnight success. Expect to work, learn, and build relationships. That's how this actually works. Questions about LiveGood? Drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I'm documenting this journey every month, showing real results, not hype. See you in the next one.